Hello guys, today I'm going to give you the introduction about the keyboard and reading the keys and the basic fingering. So in this video you can able to see the keyboard. So let's come here. So you can see this black strip which has covered almost 7 keys here. Okay, and I'm going to keep one more white strip on this black keys. So this has covered the 5 black keys. Let's take this particular thing, this particular group of keys. So there are 7 white keys and plus 5 black. So this is called one set of key. Okay, so this keyboard has got 5 set of keys, that is the 1, 2, this is the third one, fourth and fifth. So totally 12 into 5, 60 plus 1 octave key, there are totally 61 keys. So in any standard keyboard, portable standard big keyboards, you'll find 61 keys. So in this, the first and second let's keep on the left, and fourth and fifth is on the right. Let's concentrate on only in the middle octave. Okay, now I'll just take it out, this white strip. So here there are 5 black keys are there, but after 2 there is little gap, means there are 2 white keys in the middle. So let's take this as a group of 2 and a group of 3. Okay, so this is one set of key, and even you can identify easily because I have made a stickering for this keyboard where this particular middle octave, this has got a green color sticker from here to here. So these are the key signatures, the names of the keys. So the first key of this particular set, so we'll take it as C, D, E, F, G, A and B. So it's very easy to understand, C, D, E, F, G, A and B. So there are 7 white keys. Now we'll go to the next one, that is the fingering. Okay, let's start with the right hand. What if I got 5 fingers here, and here we have got 7 keys. So let's take a combination of 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very simple. We'll try again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly. So once you play this ascending, we'll take the descending again. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. We'll play again. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll come to the left hand fingering. So in the left hand usually we play most of the times only the chords. So that's why we'll take these 5 fingers with descending order, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just place your left hand fingers from C to G. For the finger 5 on C, 4 on D, then E, F, G respectively, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all these fingers. And let's take a different kind of exercise, because which is helpful for playing the chords. Okay, let's take C, then E, then G. Okay, so the fingers are 5, 3, 1, because usually you will not have a strength for the left hand fingers. So play it little slow. C, E, G. Okay, again C, E, G. If you find little difficult to move these alternate fingers, what you can do is you just lift the fourth and the second finger up. C, E, G, C, E, G. To play with two hands, we have two different exercises, left hand and the right hand. For the left hand, we'll take a C major chord, the combination of keys C, E, G. You're going to play all the three keys at a time, that is C, E, G. So this is a C major chord. To play the C major chord, you will find very difficult for the first time, because your fourth and the second fingers disturbs you. That will also come and it will hit the keys D and F. In that case, what you can do is you just lift the second and the fourth finger slightly up and try to play the C major chord. Yes, like this. You can try a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you have learned how to play the C major chord. Let's take an exercise for the right hand. First, you keep all the 5 fingers on C, D, F, G with respect to the fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see my fingers like this, and keep it straighter, and you can start playing with the right hand. C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. Once you play the left hand with C major chord, then you can start playing with the right hand. C, D, E, F, G. You just play the left hand and hold the C major chord, all the three keys like this, and play with the right hand. Now let's play together. For the first key of the right hand, C, you have to play the C major chord with the left hand. Then you continue with the right hand. D, E, F, G. Once again. Now we'll go to the next step. What we'll do is we'll shift it here. Now we'll take the combination from F, okay, in the right hand and the left hand. You keep the fingers from F, G, A, B, C to the from the left hand and the right hand as well, F, G, A, B, C. Okay. Now here also the same, the combination of left hand fingers are 5, 3, 1. So the keys will be F, A and C. F, A, C. Okay. If you play together, this will become a F major chord. Okay. F, A, C is a F major chord. We are playing with the left hand, and let's take the right hand. Again we are using the same 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this, the first finger comes on F and the remaining fingers goes on G, A, B, C respectively. So we'll play the F chord in the F left hand, and in the right hand we'll play all this right hand exercise. F, G, A, B, C. F, G, A, B, C. F, G, A, B, C. I'm playing with the right hand and left hand as well. Let's come to the last part of this today's session. We'll shift this strip to the G key, and this also we'll bring it here. Okay, now again you can keep your fingers of left and right from G, A, B, C, D, G, A, B, C, D. Okay, you can play the G chord on the left hand, that is G, B, D, and in the right hand G, A, B, C, D. Once again in the left hand G chord, that is G, B, D is the key, and in the right hand G, A, B, C, D. Let's play it together. Let's play all the three exercises at a time. So you keep both the hands with C, D, E, F, G, C, D, E, F, G, and in the left hand the C major chord C, E, G, and in the right hand C, D, E, F, G. Okay, now both the hands you shift towards the right and bring the fingers and place on F, G, A, B, C, F, G, A, B, C respectively, and in the left hand you play the F major chord, that is F, A, C, and in the right hand F, G, A, B, C, F, G, A, B, C. Let's play together. Then you bring both your hands to the next key, that is G, A, B, C, D in both the hands, and play the G major chord in the left hand, that is G, B, D is a combination, and in the right hand G, A, B, C, D, G, A, B, C, D. Let's play together.